Yes, good morning, dear students. Today we shall discuss the first chapter of Social Science of class 9th, the French Revolution. French Revolution is one of the most important revolution which changed the course of the world history. We have these questions on the basis of our chapter, the French Revolution. The first question of it is that how many American colonies got independence by the help of Louis XVI? Louis XVI was the king or the monarch of France at the time of French Revolution in 1789. At that time, France was waging a war to gain control on the American colonies. There were 13 American colonies which were under the control of France at that time. So France was waging a war in America on 13 American colonies at that time under the leadership of Louis XVI. Our next question is, how many debt was increased because of war in France? Since France was waging these wars in America to gain control over the American colonies against the Britishers, there was a huge loan or the debt on the French monarch, and this loan or the debt was raised to 2 billion livres at that time, along with the interest. So it was a huge loan, and the France was reeling under the pressure of this huge debt of 2 billion livres. Our next question is, how was French society in 18th century divided? French society was divided into 3 estates. The first estate, the second and the third estate. The first estate was of the church, the clergyman. The second estate was of nobles or the aristocrats. The third estate consisting of the common people, the workers, peasants, and the common man of France. Third estate constitutes 90% of French population, whereas the first estate and the second estate, who commanded huge wealth of France, were only 10% of the French population. Our next question is, name the direct tax, a third estate to the estates of French society. Tithe was the tax that was levied on third estate by the church, was the most important tax that was levied on the third estate, tithe. What was criticized by John Locke in his book Two Treatises of Government? John Locke was a very important political philosopher at that time. In his book Two Treatises of Government, John Locke criticized the divine and the absolute power of the monarch and the privileges by birth by the privileged society in France at that time. So we change the slide. This is our next slide. Our first question is, context of France. When did fall of Bastille took place? The fall of Bastille was the starting point of the French revolutions. On 14 July 1789, the people of France attacked on the castle of Bastille. Bastille was actually a fortress where the political prisoners were kept by Louis XVI. So people of France attacked on the castle of Bastille to free those political prisoners. So it took place on 14 July 1789 and was the starting point of the French Revolution at that time. Our next question is, who formed the National Assembly in France 1789? Right after the French Revolution, the people or the third estate of France took shelter in a tennis court, and they took the oath and declared themselves the National Assembly of France. So it was the third estate that declared themselves as the National Assembly of France, and established or declared France a constitutional monarchy at that time, after framing the Constitution of France. Our next question is, who wrote the influential pamphlet called What is the Third Estate? Abbé Sieyès. Abbé Sieyès was the priest by profession. He was the priest of a church and a very influential person in French Revolution. He delivered powerful speeches and was the leader of the National Assembly of France. He wrote a very influential pamphlet which was called What is the Third Estate? Now our next question is, in Constitution of 1791, the powers were divided among which three institutions? The Constitution of France, that was a new constitution that was written in 1791. This constitution declared France a constitutional monarchy, and the chief aim was to limit the power of the monarch. This constitution divided the power of the government into three organs, that is executive, legislature and judiciary. Our next question is, the declarations and constitutions of 1791 established which rights as natural rights? The Constitution of 1791 declared the right to life, freedom of speech, freedom of opinion and equality before law as the natural rights of the people, and these rights cannot be taken away by the government. Our next slide is, in context of France, volunteers from Marseille sang. Marseille is the patriotic song when they marched to Paris. Who composed this song? During the French Revolution, we see that the people of France sung loudly the national anthem of France, that is the Marseillaise. And the poet of this song, the composer of this national song of France was Roger de la Isle. Roger de la Isle was the person who wrote out the French national anthem Marseillaise. Our next question is, who were known as Sans-Culottes? Sans-Culottes were the people of the Jacobins. Jacobins were known as Sans-Culottes at the times, which literally means people without knee breeches. Our next question is, who was defeated at Waterloo in 1815? As we see that the Napoleon Bonaparte, who rose to power in France and captured a huge territory of Europe at that time, but in the Battle of Waterloo he was defeated and was sent to St. Helena in exile. Thank you.